Jerusalem is no longer just a city. It has become a stage for politics, religion, and history all rolled into one. Let me tell you what happened. So recently, United States Senator Mr. Marco Rubio visited Israel. And instead of focusing on modern policies or even security, Israel's Prime Minister Mr. Benjamin Netanyahu took him deep into archaeology. On the first day, they went underground near Western Wall to explore excavations. The next day, Rubio helped open a tunnel called Pilgrimage Road in the so-called City of David, a site run by settler organizations. The message was very clear. Jerusalem is portrayed as entirely Jewish, an eternal and undivided capital, as Mr. Netanyahu put it. While this archaeological pageantry was unfolding, Israeli bombs destroyed one of the Gaza's most historic warehouses, erasing decades of work and thousands of artifacts. Well, the stark contrast highlighted a painful reality here. While Netanyahu showcases Jewish history to the US allies, well, Palestinian cultural heritage is being wiped out. In fact, independent archaeologists say that this isn't just any coincidence, it is part of a strategy just to control the narrative of Jerusalem's past. The City of David site and Pilgrimage Road tunnel, they are very controversial. Built on Palestinian land, the UN has called parts of it illegal, and experts argue that excavation use poor methods that ignore centuries of diverse history. According to Elon Adar, the head of independent archaeologists group, the site focuses only on Jewish history, erasing the rich multicultural heritage of the particular region. Digging tunnels under people's home without consent, he says, is bad archaeology and serves political aims more than the historical truth. Well, the timing of Rubio's visit is also very revealing here. He was accompanied by Mike Huckabee, the United States ambassador to Israel and very prominent pastor who supports Israel's expansionist policies. Well, the combination of political leaders, religious figures, and archaeological displays was designed to impress the US Republican base, showing a shared Christian history in Jerusalem while sidelining Palestinians' narrative. Now, for Netanyahu, these tours, they are part of a larger strategy. That strategy is just to gain US support for Israeli control over the city, bypassing any talks about a two-state solution or a divided Jerusalem. In the meantime, in Gaza, the destruction of the archaeological warehouse is devastating. The building contained tens of thousands of artifacts collected over 30 years, representing centuries of civilizations, be it Christian, Muslim, Jews. In fact, some objects were removed before the bombing, but many were lost or even damaged. Now, left in unsafe condition. The IDF claimed that it helped transfer items, but experts say that the reality is more complex here. The bombing erased Palestinian heritage while showcasing Jewish history for the foreign visitors. Well, what's happening in Jerusalem and Gaza shows that archaeology is not just about digging up the past. It has become a tool in modern politics. Well, Netanyahu and his allies, they are trying very hard to rewrite the history in a way that strengthens Israel's claim to the land while sidelining the Palestinian heritage. In the meantime, the West, specifically the US political figures, getting a very curated view designed to align with their religious and political interests. Basically, in other words, history itself is being used as a weapon, shaping narratives, alliances, and power in one of the world's most contested cities.